what's up guys? So yeah, we finally arrived at the drags in Mexico, seeing some dope cars. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm also gonna walk around, just show you some local cars that we have, because right now I can see an M3, there's another M3 that passed, there's a Polo. But yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna show you a scene and just show you how it is, how's the vibes. But yeah, as I've said, I'm excited. Since I've gotten here, we already got like one race. But anyways, stay tuned, enjoy, Kruger Bless side. I'm just excited guys, I'm stoked. But yeah, let's do this.
Drippy, I fit it up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the box. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums.
Yes.
What happened, dog? What happened?
Yeah, first round,
guys. Don't worry, guys. First round.
Women problems.
Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, finish frames on my face. Looking like in front of D. These no Cartiers. Pockets deep, bro. I can make it in my seat. Making noise, use a beat, bro. I press the button and the doors go up like, that money clip us not, I know that looks like. Upgrade her diamonds, now look at this like. That's a no. Spend the dope for no reason. Got a ball head, Mr. Cleaner. Heard the big bang, overseas that.
Motorsport. 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 Motorsport.